हे हाय मैंने डॉक्यूमेंट बना दिया पूरा। ठीक है। कंप्लीट स्टेप वाइज प्रोसीजर कि एग्जैक्टली हमको एप्लीकेशंस कैसे रन करने हैं। ठीक है। और एंड जो रेफरेंस वीडियोस है, ओके, या फिर जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट लिंक्स हैं, वो सारे मैंने आई हैव मेंशन इन दिस पर्टिकुलर डॉक्यूमेंट। ओके। सो विल गो स्टेप वाइज। ओके। सो जैसे अभी तुम्हारा फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड और तुम्हारे दो तीन काफ़ी सारे पेंडिंग है ना। काफ़ी सारे पेंडिंग तुम्हारे रिव्यूज़ है। ठीक है। सो व्हाट आई सजेस्ट कि अभी जो तुम्हारा ये वाला डेमो है, देखो हमारे पास बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं ना। मशीन लर्निंग पार्ट है जिसमें हमारा बेसिकली जिसमें हमारा व्हीकल डिटेक्शन वगैरह है। करेक्ट। सो अभी तक के तुम लोगों ने ज़्यादा कुछ बताया नहीं है ना। तो अगर तुम पूरा प्रोजेक्ट बता दोगे तो ऑब्वियसली दे विल अंडरस्टैंड कि बाहर से लाया हुआ है। करेक्ट। सो व्हाट वी कैन डू कि अभी इनिशियल स्टेज पे आप ये वाला बता देना। ठीक है, मशीन लर्निंग वाला। मैं तुमको पूरा ही एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रहा हूँ। ठीक है। बाकी इट्स अप टू यू कि आपको कैसे बताना है, क्या बताना है। मैंने बाकी मेंशन आई विल टेल यू कि एग्जैक्टली फ्लो कैसा है, रन एग्जैक्टली फ्लो और रन कैसे करना है सबको। ठीक है। तो मेरा सजेशन रहेगा आप ये बता दो। ठीक है। इसमें इसमें आप कर सकते हो कि डिटेक्शन करके दिखा सकते हो। ठीक है। और ट्रेनिंग कोड दिखा सकते हो कि तुमने एल्गोरिदम ट्रेन किया है। ठीक है। फिर बाद वाले रिव्यू में वेबसाइट बता देना कि वेबसाइट बनाया, एडमिन साइट, एडमिन वाला पोर्टल। फिर उसके बाद वाले में बता देना एंड्रॉइड बताया। फिर उसके बाद वाले में बता सकते हो कि पूरा इंटीग्रेशन, लाइक दैट यू कैन बता सकते हो। ओके। सो लेट्स गो। जैसे कि देखो अभी सबसे पहले जो मशीन लर्निंग एल्गोरिदम है, जो मशीन लर्निंग पोर्टल है, ठीक है, उसको रन करने के लिए ये स्टेप्स है कि रन मशीन लर्निंग पार्ट सॉफ्टवेयर। ठीक है। तो उसके लिए सबसे पहले देखो तुमको क्या करना है, तुम्हारा प्रोजेक्ट फोल्डर में चल जाना है जहाँ पर भी तुम्हारा प्रोजेक्ट फोल्डर होगा। जैसे कि ये मेरा प्रोजेक्ट फोल्डर है। ठीक है। तो मैंने सबको डिवाइड ही करके रखा है, जैसे सॉफ्टवेयर मतलब मशीन लर्निंग पार्ट, वेबसाइट मतलब एडमिन पैनल, एंड्रॉइड मतलब एंड्रॉइड एप्लीकेशन। ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले सॉफ्टवेयर में चले जाना। और यहाँ पर देखो, अब यहाँ पर तुम ओपन करने के लिए दो तरीके हैं। एक तो ये है कि एड्रेस बार जो है इसको सिंपल फ्री स्पेस पे क्लिक करना है, यहाँ पे CMD टाइप करके एंटर हिट करना है। ये एक तरीका है CMD ओपन करने का। ठीक है। उससे तुम्हारा पर्टिकुलर इट विल ओपन द पर्टिकुलर CMD at particular location. Okay, like this. Second way is if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, then what you can do, you can simply right click in the same particular free space. It will automatically give you open in terminal option. Okay, so like that you can also open. Okay, and here you have to type a command python main.py and hit enter. Once you hit enter, it will load the library and it will give you user interface. Okay. So as of now, you have to type this command. Okay. But in my case, I have different environment, so I have to type Python 3.10. Okay. You don't have to type Python 3.310. You just have to type Python main.py. Okay. That's it. Once you've done this, it will load the model and it will give the interface like that. Okay. So here you have to select whether you are proceeding entry gate or whether you are showing demonstration for exit gate. Okay. Accordingly, it will update the status on database on server. Okay. So if you're choosing entry gate, then it will give you three different options. So whether you can upload your own video, okay, or a image. Okay. In webcam might be it will give some less accuracy, but yeah, it will give at average accuracy. Okay. If you show proper vehicle or number plate, it will give correct result. Okay. So we'll go with video. So you just have to click on video button and you just have to choose the given test video, sample video, or you can upload your own. Okay. So in the test data, I have some sample videos. So this is the sample one. Once you select this, it will load the model. It will take some time. Okay, and it will just give the output window. So as it is loading. Okay. So once you it will load the library. So here you can see, you can show this part key. You have done this user interface and you have done this particular prediction. Okay, and number plate detection and recognition and vehicle detection. This is machine learning part. It's almost your 50%. Okay, so if you are showing machine learning part, that means you are showing your 50% of project. Okay, So that is why I'm recommending use. Okay. So as per your laptop performance and internet speed, it will give the result. Okay. So here you can see this way it is making the prediction. This is the vehicle. This is the vehicle. This is the license plate, and also based on the number plate recognition in the top corner, it is giving the uh, number plate number. Okay. So like this. Okay, it might be change. Okay, see, as you can see, this number is getting changed sometime. Why? Because as this particular vehicle coming closer to camera, so system is able to capture the number plate more accurately. Okay, so that's why it is sometimes see, if you observe, previously it was considering as a 5. Okay, because a vehicle was far and it was not clearly visible. Okay, but now you can see it is clearly showing it is S. Okay, so that might be happen. It's a genuine problem, right? So that's why depend on laptop camera quality or video footage quality. Okay, if you are providing high footage quality or where number plate is visible properly, it will give the proper result. Okay, so this way you can show this part ki you have done this image based prediction, vehicle based prediction, camera based prediction. Okay, so it will you can show this one. Okay, so this is the way to run the machine learning part. Okay, to exit it, you can simply press Q button on window. Okay, it will automatically terminate. Okay, or else you can directly close this particular terminal. Okay, so this is the way to run the particular software part. Okay, so to run the website, okay, see this is the website. So the website you can directly access with this particular URL. I have provided the URL in this particular block. Okay, here you can see, because see we need database to be remotely accessible, right? Because we have to connect on software, the machine learning part, and with the Android part, right? So we need to host the database remotely. Okay, so what I have done, I have hosted the website on my server. Okay, there I host use the database. Okay, so we are using the same. Okay, so to present in live demo, like if you are presenting live demo with Android application, IoT device, not IoT, machine learning software, and with website, so there you have to access the website from this particular link. Okay, here you will be able to see all the users, or you will be able, whatever account you will create here na, in the security guard, whatever account you will create here, this only will be accessible in your Android application, because Android application connected with this database. Okay, and similarly if you want to run locally, okay, you can just go to your website section and you can open the same terminal, open in terminal. Okay, like this. Okay, and here you have to type command python app.py. You can open this particular code in VS Code, and there also you can run the same command. Okay, it's up to you. I believe you are aware of VS Code and everything, and Python basics understanding. Okay, so similarly, I have to type Python 310 as I have different environment. But you, in your case, you just have to type Python app.py. Okay. So see, as I have run this command, it just loaded the library and given the URL. So localhost URL is this one. You just have to go to this particular URL in any browser, and the credential are admin 123. Okay, and you just have to click login. Okay, whatever account you will be create here now, that will be local account. Okay, local database. Okay, you with the Android application, you won't be able to access this particular account or vehicle logs, or nothing will be able to access. Okay, it just you can run it locally. Okay, you can't access the you can connect with machine learning logs will not be visible here. Okay, these are just temporary one. Okay, so if you want to check real one database with the cloud platform, you have to access this particular URL. Okay, so just demonstration purpose key you have mentioned and you have created in locally, you can show this part. Okay, similarly, suppose you want to run Android platform. See, to run the Android application, first you have to make sure that you have to open BlueStack. Okay, either you can use your mobile phone, or either you can use BlueStack. Okay, it's very important. First, you have to run BlueStack emulator. Okay, then you have to open the Android Studio. Okay, so that it will automatically get the URL, or connect the BlueStack with Android Studio. That is very important thing. Okay, and then you just have to, it's very simple, you just have to click, it will automatically select this particular emulator, and you just have to click this run button. It will automatically deploy the Android application into your emulator, and in emulator you can access. Okay, and then whatever account you have created in this particular website. You can just put the login credential and you can access the particular homepage, and you can check the user request. Okay, invalid vehicle log, etc. You can do anything here. Okay, you can approve and reject the particular status. Okay, I believe this whole thing I have explained in video. Okay, how you have to demo. Okay, so but in simple flow, just let me tell you one more time, just simple flow. Okay, so see how exactly our purpose system is working. See, we have machine learning part. Okay, we have machine learning part where entry and exit camera is there. Okay, which is we are considering as key. This particular part is deployed on campus gate. Okay, in the campus gate there is a computer, we are just assuming, and there this system is particularly installed and integrated with the CCTV camera. Okay, so what is happening, their CCTV camera, entry and exit gate camera, it continuously monitoring the vehicle, incoming vehicle. Okay, and decoding the number plate and the number of vehicle. Okay, and then there is a web application which is hosted on server. This particular number plate, it will go to website. There is a API which I have created, I will tell you. Okay, so it will just take the number plate and it will hit the API of the server for with the number plate, and it will check the status key, which key is this particular number plate is valid or invalid, and server will give the response key it is valid or invalid. If it is valid, then it will do nothing. Okay, it will just allow the particular vehicle to be entered. Okay, and again it will just create a log. It will just create a log key, entry log key, this particular vehicle has entered. Okay, if it is not valid. Okay, so what it will do, there is an Android application, so it will just take the number plate of it will just again it will just create a invalid vehicle log in the particular server with the number plate key, which is particular invalid entry is there. Okay, invalid vehicle is about to come. Okay, and then this particular log will goes to Android. Okay, and in Android you will be able to visible. Okay, and there you can approve or reject the status. Okay, again as you click update, approve or reject, it will again hit the API in the same API, and will just set the log key whether the particular log approved or rejected. Okay, this way it is working. Okay, so this is a website which is basically our APIs and database. This is hosted on server. That is why hosting is required, because everything is connected. Okay, dynamically cloud database. It is called cloud database. So that's why it is required to be hosted. Okay, and this way it is working. The mainly concept we are using, that is REST API. REST API is the core concept. So do the understanding what is REST API. I'll just let you know. Okay, but you can also do your own research. Okay, so this way it is working. Okay, key just hitting the API and just storing the result. If it is valid, invalid, just checking the status. If it is valid, then allow. Otherwise, it will again create the vehicle log. Okay, you can see here, right? In the website, there is a section vehicle log, right? So in the vehicle log, accordingly, it will create the logs key, entry, exit. Like if vehicle passing from exit, then it will just go to the same log and just update the exit status. Okay, same way it is valid or invalid, it will store the result. If you have created a valid vehicle, like if you have go through this particular vehicle section, and if you create some vehicle which is valid or you want to allow into particular system, then automatically in the vehicle log all detail will auto populate, like username, owner name, address, etc. All thing will be automatically uh, display. Okay, as of now it was kind of invalid vehicle, so that's why it is creating invalid vehicle logs. Okay, so I suggest just explain all this thing in some other seminar. Okay, so this is simple things, right? Admin, user, security, website, and all things you have understood already. So this was the flow which is basically having in our project. Okay, so the technical thing, just I will explain you in the next video. Okay, as it is already 15-minute video, so I'll just explain the machine learning part, technical things in next video. Okay.
Do let me know in case of any doubt and issue. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.